Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Pulse Pro electronic drum kit. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a compact setup, this kit packs a lot of smart features into one solid package. In this video, I'll guide you through the unboxing, step-by-step assembly, and I'll break down the features that make this kit a great choice for home practice, live streaming, and remote lessons. Let's start with what's inside the box. You'll find a dual-zone wooden snare, 3 toms, hi-hat, 2 crashes, 1 ride, kick pedal, hi-hat controller, rack system, drum module, and all the cables and mounting hardware you'll need. First, you'll see there are 4 vertical tubes. 2 long ones for the center and 2 short ones for the outer parts of the frame. To start, take 1 long vertical tube and slide in the horizontal tube that holds the snare drum. Next, add the horizontal tube for the hi-hat and module. Finally, attach the long horizontal tube that holds the 2 crash cymbals and the 2 toms. This finishes up the left side of the rack. Now let's build the right side. Grab the other long vertical tube and slide in the horizontal bar that holds the ride cymbal and the floor tom. Once that's in place, connect this vertical bar to the main horizontal tube that holds the toms and crashes. To complete the frame, take the 2 short vertical tubes and connect each one to the end of the outer horizontal bars on both sides. When fully assembled, you'll have a solid structure with 4 vertical tubes and 4 horizontal bars. Now it's time to set up the snare drum and toms. The snare mounts directly to the horizontal bar. But if you ever need more flexibility with the angle or height, there's an add-on option that can be used for a more customized setup. The toms attach directly to the horizontal bars. 2 go in the front and 1 on the right side. Once that's done, your toms are in place and ready to go. Now it's time to mount the cymbals. Start by inserting the metal rods into the clamps on the rack. Next, check the labels underneath each cymbal pad to identify them. Place the hi-hat pad on the left side, crash and crash 1 pads in front of you, and the ride cymbal on the right side. Once everything is in position, tighten them up, and you're good to go. Now it's time to attach the drum module. Mount it onto the left side of the rack, right next to the hi-hat pad. Make sure it's secure, then let's move on to setting up the kick drum and hi-hat pedal. Place the kick drum pad on the floor in front of the rack, then position and attach the kick pedal so it lines up properly with the beater. Next, place the hi-hat controller pedal to the left in a comfortable spot just under the hi-hat pad. Now your main foot controls are in place. Time to plug in the cables. Start by connecting the labeled D-sub cable to the drum module and secure it using the 2 built-in screws for a safe and stable connection. Then, plug each labeled cable into its corresponding pad. Everything is clearly marked and designed to fit only one way, so setup is simple and straightforward. Once all the pads are connected, it's time to plug in the power cable. Now it's time to turn it on. Just hold down the digital knob to power up the module. Then, plug your headphones into the output that matches your headphone plug, either the small or large jack, and you're all set to start playing. Let's take a closer look at how the kit feels to play. The snare feels responsive and well built, with rim shot detection and a layered wood design that gives it a solid, dynamic touch. The toms are made from poplar shells with a clean finish and comfortable rebound. The cymbals feature dual layer zones. They respond well across the surface and feel great for their size, offering a smooth and expressive playing experience. Beyond the playing field, the module is packed with features that make it incredibly versatile. Whether you're practicing, recording, you can plug in a mic and a phone directly into the module. Both signals are automatically mixed so you can stream or record play-alongs and even run remote lessons, all without extra gear. Want to play outside? You can perform completely off-grid using a power bank and the OTG port. No wall power needed. And with Bluetooth MIDI and audio, you can connect wirelessly to apps like DTX 2020 and trigger virtual kits without any cables. The interface is simple and fast. One-button recording, quick kit switching. It's built to get you playing, not scrolling through menus. That's the Pulse Pro. Great feel, smart features, and designed for drummers who want performance, practice, and modern connectivity all in one kit.